Hey members, my name is Julia from the Boys and Girls Club, and today we are going to be creating our own measuring tool and using it to create a 3D rainbow. For this activity, you will need white paper, colored paper, tape, scissors, markers, and a nickel, which is 5 cents. First, we're going to make our measuring tool. A nickel is exactly 2 centimeters, and it's a great item to use when creating a measuring tool. Onto the paper, you're going to take your nickel and line it up with the edge of the paper. Take some sort of marker or pen and draw a line next to it. Once you've done that, you're going to go all the way down the paper and create a line next to the nickel all the way. Doesn't have to be perfect, just do your best. Now, we're going to number it. We need to number it by 2 because our nickel is 2 centimeters. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26. Now we need to cut it out. And just like that, we have our measuring tool. Our measuring tool is 26 centimeters long. Now that we're done creating our measuring tool, we can go use it. Go find 5 items around your house to measure and then put them in order from shortest to longest. Here are some examples of what we found. We have a water bottle. So when we measure it, it is 26 centimeters. A board game. And our board game is 25 centimeters. We have a pair of scissors. Our scissors are 18 centimeters. Deck of cards is 8. And lastly, we have our little dice. Our dice is only 1 centimeter long. Here's what we found. Now let's see what you can find. Next, we're going to work on creating a super cool 3D rainbow. First, we should go over the colors of the rainbow. Do you know what they are? Pause the video and test yourself. Great. Now the colors of the rainbow are red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Did you get them all? Great. Now we're going to use our handy measuring tool we created to measure out the lengths for our rainbow. If you don't have colored paper, you can use white paper and color it as you go. Now, your first color is red. Your red strip needs to be 26 centimeters long. This is pretty close to the length of a normal piece of paper. And we're going to cut her out. Next is orange. Our orange strip should be 24 centimeters long. Our yellow should be 22 centimeters long. Our green should be 20 centimeters long. Our blue should be 18 centimeters long. Indigo should be 16 centimeters long. There. And last but not least, our violet should be 14 centimeters long. Now that we have all of our colored strips, we need to tape or glue them onto a piece of paper to create a rainbow. Let's do it together. First is our red. Orange. Yellow. Green. Blue. Indigo. And last, we have our violet. Wow, this rainbow looks so awesome. I bet yours does too. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. I had fun measuring and creating rainbows, and I hope you did too. We'll catch you next time.